Hey guys, Trent here with SonarPros. Want to tell you guys about one of our favorite things to put in a boat, and that is the BoatLogix wire cover. What we love about this is, number one, it's got rubber gaskets that does help prevent water intrusion, and it's a nice large pass-through for a multitude of wires. And it essentially gives you an open gasket so that there's water diversion and a bunch of wires can come through the top. So things like live scope cables, things like big network cables, all fit in and out of here. Really simple. They come pre-mounted on any BoatLogix panel mounts, or like a boat like this, where we're going to probably use a deck mount when we get to rigging. You can simply trace this out, cut the hole, and it's a nice pass-through. So the reason this is important is the other thing is it doesn't put unnecessary pressure on the wires compared to what is on this Ranger. We haven't started rigging this boat yet, so this is how it was dropped off, and I'm going to show you guys the problem with a cover like this. So number one, it puts unnecessary pressure on the cables. As you can see here, that hard edge started pressing into those cables. You can see the indentations. Now this is a fresh install that is coming to us to do some fixing, and you can see all those indentations on the cable. What happens is over time that indentation is going to lead to a wire failure. The other thing this is doing is on the back side, it is pressing those wires. Again, on the back side you can see here we have indentations from that tight cover pushing on the metal. So not only is this BoatLogix wire cover an aesthetically good looking wire pass through, but there's also performance benefits to it as well. Make sure your wires aren't getting pinched. Get a BoatLogix wire cover at SonarProsElectronics.com or BoatLogix.